Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fallout 3 not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. First step is to disable unnecessary programs. You just need to disable any overlay programs such as Discord, Steam overlay or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. And next you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Ensure that no background applications are interfering with the game. After that, just close off here. The second step is to update the graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. To do this, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing it, just close off here. The third step is to verify game files. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the Fallout 3 and select the properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just close tab here. The fourth step is to install DirectX. To do this, you just need to check my video description for the download link. Scroll down, click on the drop down in language and select the language, and after that select download option. After getting download done, you just need to install it, and after getting installed done, just close tab here. The fifth step is to add launch options. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the Fallout 3 and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just copy and paste it under the launch options. After pasting it, just click on outside and close it off here. The sixth step is to reinstall the game. As a last resort, uninstall Fallout 3 completely. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Fallout 3 and select manage and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to install it back. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.